Good morning! I'm Renel Catayong, one of the sales managers of GFL Metro Communities Incorporated. Right now, I'm here at Elements Presentation Center, and for today's episode of Beyond the Showroom, dadaling ko kayo sa mga key locations around Elements Residences. This is Kuya Eric. Siya yung makakasama natin. Tara! Dito tayo ngayon sa Bonifacio Global City, one of Metro Manila's business district. Very accessible siya going to Elements Residences. Ito yung St. Luke's Medical Center dito sa BGC. Isa sa world-class hospital. Nasa 10 minutes away lang siya from Elements Residences dahil dun sa Kalayaan Bridge. Yan. Pakita ko rin sa inyo later yung Kalayaan Bridge. Now we are approaching Kalayaan Bridge. Ito yung nagko-connect from BGC to Kapitolyo Pasig. Kaya mas accessible na tayo ngayon going to Kapitolyo from BGC. Ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Kapitolyo. We are approaching at Pioneer Center. Yung Pioneer Center, isa siya sa supermarket here at Kapitolyo. Ayan, we are approaching at Unimart, Capitol Commons right now. Isa siya sa malapit na supermarket and shopping malls here at Elements Residences. Ayan yung Inares din, isa sa sport arena. Dito rin malapit din siya sa Elements Residences. We are now in front of Elements Residences. Being at the center of the metro, it gives you shorter travels in any point of Metro Manila. Malapit siya sa shopping center, transportation hub, and educational institution. Dito tayo ngayon sa Capitol Commons, 3 minutes away from your home at Elements Residences. Makikita natin dito yung Unimart, isa sa supermarket dito sa area. Meron din tayong Estancia Mall na may mga luxury brands and restaurants din po. Aside from shopping center, may makikita rin tayong educational institution like Lourdes, Pobeda, University of Asia and the Pacific, LaSalle Green Hills, Xavier, and St. Paul. Nandito tayo sa EDSA, one of the main roads going to Elements Residences. Nandito rin yung dalawang station ng MRT, Shaw Station and Ortigas Station. May mga transportation din tayo dito tulad ng jeepneys, taxis, and UB. Malapit din dito yung mga shopping centers like SM Mega Mall, Podium, and Shangri-La. Lahat ng key locations na mga nadaanan natin are strategically located in Ortigas Business District. Ngayon, madadaanan natin ang isa sa medical institution, the Medical City, which is along Ortigas Avenue. Now we are on our way to C5 Road, another main road going to Elements Residences. Malapit din ito sa mga shopping and dining establishments tulad ng Tendesitas, SM Pasig Center, Ayala 30th Malls, and Metro Walk. Ngayon, nadaanan na natin yung mga great developments around the area which make it one of the reasons why you should invest in Elements Residences. And again, I am Renel Catayong. You can call me or message me to assist you in your future home.